Much of autumn 2023 has been wetter and milder than average. We're yet to see the first significant snowfall of the season as we edge closer to meteorological winter. Now it's down to the position of the jet stream, which typically over recent weeks and months has been coming in from the Atlantic, a strong jet stream with kinks in that jet stream that have been developing areas of low pressure, bringing us the fairly stormy weather that's been pushing across the UK and also bringing these mild winds from the west or the southwest. But subtle changes in the position of that jet stream over the next week or so mean that the mild air that's been with us could well get squeezed away towards the south. So a colder air mass will start to work in from the north later this week through into the weekend, and the winds will come in from more of a northerly direction, strongest I think close to the east coast. Now, are we expecting any snowfall? Well, for somewhere like Aviemore, for instance, in Highlands, Scotland, over the higher ground, we could well see during the weekend some of that precipitation starting to turn increasingly to sleet and snow over the hills, a drop in the temperature. Contrast that though to the outlook for Norwich, for instance, at lower levels. Although there'll be a steady decline in temperature over the next 10 days or so, it won't get cold enough for any of the rainfall to turn to snow there. So really during the end of November then we will expect things to turn a bit quieter, so drier, less windy than it has been, and with a slightly colder weather, a return to some frost and fog at times overnight. But at the moment it looks like any snow will be confined to the hills in the north.